Smith here with Gold Buckle Horse Sales. I'm here with an own son of Show Me the Buckles and with Jed. He is about 15 hands and 1,100 pounds. Jed, you want to tell us a little bit about him?
Yeah, so I've owned him since he was a coming 2-year-old. Bought him from a guy that I bought a bunch of horses from and had good luck with, and he said he'd had this colt and was pretty excited about him, so we got him and started him, and we've just ranched on him for the most part. We've done a lot of outside stuff with him. We've branded on him, we've tagged calves on him, we've loaded trucks. Super gentle. My kids ride him quite a bit, and then this fall, or last winter I guess, is when we kind of started taking him to the arena and first started roping cattle on him. So we've headed some on him, we've heeled some on him. We think in the long game he's probably a head horse, but maybe a real switch ender. But pretty neat little horse, really kind of one of those with a ton of personality. He's always got the rope in his mouth or trying to untie a knot. He's kind of a neat little horse, but super gentle, getting pretty broke, and yeah, just wants to be good, wants to figure it out.
Okay, awesome. All right, we'll pick his feet up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant condos. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking on this tire road with my damn high hopes. Country boys don't die alone. Reading poetry under shade trees. That woman, she's my baby. I will be in Richmond by tonight. With so much shame inside me, I just wanna hide me, but they wanna hear me sing my songs under lights. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant kind eyes. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking up this tire road with my damn high hopes that country boys don't die alone. Every day's so fleeting, and I have been trying to save it while I can. Look on her face, all these hot, humid days, and the boys in my damn band. It's a motorcycle drive-by, baby giant kind eyes. I think it's about time we headed home. Walking such a tight road with my damn high hopes. Country boys don't die alone. Reading poetry under shade trees. That woman, she's my baby. I will be in Richmond by tonight. With so much shame inside me, I just wanna hide me. They wanna hear me sing my songs under lights.
Square bells, flatbeds, clothesline sunsets, sky blue, barn red. Wind chimes, front porch, good dogs, wood floors, work boots, open doors. And miles of John Deere green, freedom far as I can see. The road to run and room to breathe, that's who I am and I'll always be. Caught up in a country that With them fields of gold and cotton rolls that never end in sky. That take it slow, easy roll, man, that's life. Caught up in the country. Just look at them stars. Must be a billion of them, just doing their thing, right where God put them. If this ain't heaven, it's halfway there. You can feel it in the air. Caught up in the country, the only way I wanna be. Somewhere where the road ends, out there where the creek bends, that's where you can find me. With them fields of gold and cotton rolls that never end in sky. That take it slow, easy roll, man, that's life. Caught up in the country. Caught up in the country. If I have it my way, I'll stay. Caught up in it, caught up in it. Somewhere where the road ends, out there where the creek bends, that's where you can find me. With them fields of gold and cotton rolls that never end in sky. That take it slow, easy roll, man, that's life. Miles and miles of John Deere green, freedom far as I can see. The road to run and room to breathe, it's who I am and I'll always be. Caught up in the country. Caught up in the country. Start of the climb, faced with an army of vipers and lions. I had to keep on reaching up, cause it was my time to tear down the kingdom, call out the liars. Got a tail on my heart from the pessimist, got those nails in my mouth for impressionists. Spent too much money on a therapist, it couldn't fix me, I accepted it. Gladiator, 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 picked a fight with the gods, I'm the giant slayer, bone shaker, dominator, freight train, wrecking ball, I'm the gladiator. Tell me what it is that you think you believe, caught in a crossfire, trouble at sea. Every single day I feel that gold underneath, I see the locked doors, but I got the key. I'ma give you a second just to catch your breath, cause I can see that your heart is jumping out your chest. I know you gave it all, cause I've already seen your best, and it's time you accepted this. Gladiator, 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 picked a fight with the gods, I'm the giant slayer, bone shaker, dominator, freight train, wrecking ball, I'm the gladiator.
I just got done heading and heeling some on Sweet Pea. This horse is awesome. He's probably one of my favorite ones that I rode today. He has a lot of potential. He just runs up there and rates naturally on the head and side, and you can just feel that he wants to do it. He likes roping steers. Like I said, he just has a ton of potential to be a great horse.